In this video, I'll be talking about how to ventilate for beginners. I made this video specifically for beginners, for people who are finding it difficult to ventilate. This video is going to be detailed. Like, after watching this video, you are sure going to know how to ventilate. So if you are having difficulties ventilate, this is the right video for you. All you have to do is watch this video to the end, okay, so you don't miss out on any valuable thing, like you don't miss out on any particular point I'm going to make. Okay, this video is going to have a part 2. Okay, this video is going to have a part 2 because every ventilation techniques I'm going to show you in this video, we are going to put it in practice. Okay, then start your ventilation business. If you want to start a ventilation business, hope you grab. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell so that when I upload the part 2 of this video, you will get notified. Okay, let's get down to the video. So guys, before you start ventilating, you have to make sure that your net is placed in a straight line. Okay, as you can see in the video. So I'll pick my attachment. I'm going to divide it because this one is very big. Now this is how to fold your attachment. This is how to fold your hair. The way you fold your attachment and the way you fold your normal hair, they are not the same thing. Okay, so when folding attachment, you fold it in equal parts. Okay, don't fold your hair like this. Now you bring out small hair. The reason why I'm doing this, for it to be easy for me to grab the strands I want to take. Okay, now the first one we are going to try is the single knotting method. This method mostly used for braided wigs because it's not long lasting. It can easily pull. So watch closely to see how to do a single knotting, sorry. Now you put your needle through the net, pick two strands. I'm trying to pick two strands. When ventilating, you pick only two strands. Okay, pick 2 strands, bring it down, take the hair and you knot it. Okay, so we are going to do this few more times. You pick the hair, pick the 2 strands, bring your needle down, then you pick the hair, bring it out. This is how to do it. Okay, as you're watching this video, I would advise you that you bring your own tools, okay, while watching this video, so it will be easy for you to grab. You know, just by looking at me, you are not fully going to understand what I mean. Now the next one we're going to do is a double knotting. Now mostly this is used for to make closures, weave-on closures, because it lasts. It has so many advantages to single knotting. Okay, double knotting has so many advantages. So the advantages, I'm writing it on the screen so you can see. Now how to do this one, you are not going to knot it only once. Okay, you will knot it twice as seen in the video. You can see it. That's why it's called double knotting. You take your hair, you knot the first one, then you take your hair again, then knot the second one. Now this is how to do a double knotting. Let's try it a few more times so you understand. Take your hair, bring down your needle out of the net, knot the first one, then you knot the second one. So this is how to do double knotting. Now, the next one we are going to do is the double split knotting. Okay, this one also have so many advantages to the single knotting. I'm writing the advantages on the screen so you see. Now this one, now you knot the first one. You're not going to take all the hairs. You only divide the hair, like you take 2 strands. Okay, reason why I took 2 strands, because I'm picking two strands, so it's 2 strands I'm going to take. Let's say that you picked up to 4 strands. What you are going to take is also 4 strands. Okay, because when you knot the first one, you're going to get a total of 8 strands, so you take 4 strands. That's why it's double split. You divide the strands. Now let's go again. You take your hair. As you can see, I'm taking 2 strands. You knot the first one. Now the second one you are going to knot, you take only 2 strands. You divide the hair into 2 and knot it. That is how to do a double split. Take your hair, remove it from the net, knot the first one, then knot the second one. There are so many ways to ventilate, like there are so many different ventilation techniques, but this one I just showed you is the main one used to ventilate hair. Okay, so I just showed you the main ones. With time, I'm still going to show you the other ones on my channel. So thank you guys for watching this video up to this extent. I'm so happy you watched this video up to this extent. Hope you like it. Share your thoughts about this video in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. Please, it's very important. Press the notification bell so that when I upload the part 2 of this video, you are going to get notified. Okay, so drop a comment in the comment section. Share this video. There might be people looking for this particular video, people having difficulties in ventilation. Share this video to them. Okay, please share, and you drop your comment in the comment section. Give this video a like, please. Can I get 100 likes on this video so I can drop the part 2? See you in my next video.